I cannot believe that we're celebrating yet again the end of another year. What the hell? Welcome back to the vlog. It's currently New Year's Eve. I did get myself somewhat ready, but I still need to do my full glam. We need to put on my New Year's Eve outfit, but I thought I'll start this vlog first. I'm low-key so behind on anything New Year related. Like, I haven't really came up with my New Year resolution yet. I'm still yet to finish my 2025 junk journal. I also started one for 2026, but we're starting the year with some good deserved holidays, so finger crossed I'll find the time to do that. I haven't spoke with you guys since Boxing Day, and I feel like a lot went down in the last few days. Sadly, I was not able to find a cute little ornament at Winter Wonderland. If you guys know, I've been collecting this costume ornament every single year, and unfortunately we're not gonna have one for 2025, but my mother-in-law did give us one as a Christmas gift, so we do have that. I'm starting this video kind of late, and that's because I spent the whole morning organizing my flat, and also I took off the Christmas tree. I was over it. I put it up the 1st of December. It's currently the very end of December, and I'm happy that's been taken care of. Here's what we're left with. I'm gonna need my boyfriend help to put these in their spot. Talking about my boyfriend, he's currently at work. He said he should be finishing around 9-10 p.m. So he booked us a little table at Barrafina at 9:30. I do have a few hours to spare, and then I'm gonna get ready and head over there. I thought we could open these in the meanwhile. If you know, you know, I've been saving my cash tips in this little guy for quite a few years now. I don't think I'm gonna have that much this year though, because I'm not gonna lie, I don't really make that much cash tips at my current job place, but let's see. 40, 54, 60. So it's a good while later. I spent the last hour editing a video, and now it's finally time to get ready. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit in just 1 second, but before we do that, I think it's time to finish off the glam. I got these cute gold freckles in Dublin during the Life of a Showgirl release party, and I think they're gonna be perfect. It's basically a tattoo, so let me get a little cloth and some water. Okay, we got it. Probably look in the mirror rather than the viewfinder. Oh my god, I think it turned out so cute. I'm also gonna change my earrings, and I'm gonna add my cute little Pandora heart-shaped ones. I mean, tell me this is not adorable. I normally go for red lips, but I don't know, do we think it's too much? I should have known a red lipstick is always a good idea. Oh, by the way, I was still yet to show you guys my new vlog setup. My boyfriend got me this little mic for Christmas, and so we're testing it out. But anyway, back to the outfit. I feel like it's very giving businesswoman in the best way. My black bralette is from Hollister. Then this beautiful blazer is from Jennifer. And the matching skirt is from Stradivarius. Seriously, how cool. And then to match the top, I'm wearing my black Dr. Martens. And of course, some fishnets. I'm obsessed with this outfit. I do think, however, that I'm gonna freeze. I am gonna wear my big puffer, and I might even wear a sweater underneath the blazer just until I get to the restaurant. Okay, time to go.
A free ticket to your head in the clouds, falling over when you're spinning around. Now it's something you know nothing about. But your brain trying to figure it out. Just
sta arrivando pure il monte. Auguri!
cause last night pretty.
Happy New Year. It's actually later on in the day. We just had dinner. Of course, I made my traditional cotechino, and it turned out so pretty. I had to say it was a pretty good start of the year. We had brunch at Cinnamon Village, and then we went to the most beautiful little walk. It was freezing cold, but so worth it. Also the sunset, unbelievable.
One more time and baby give me some more yours. Drive me mad when you're with me. Not so
Stanno arrivando, guarda. Ne è arrivato un altro.
We also end up getting a fortune cookie from this Chinese shop, and mine said, "Good luck is the result of good planning." And that's definitely going to be the mood for 2026. I feel super full right now from dinner though, so we're probably going to chill on the couch, work on the computer, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Welcome back to the vlog. Long time no talk. I originally wanted this vlog to be a transition from 2025 to 2026, and so I was gonna vlog the first few days of the new year, but I ended up taking some time off. I just had a lot of things in my mind and I wasn't sure whether I wanted to address that in the vlog or not. But if you've seen my New Year resolution video, you know that I soft launched the fact that we are planning on buying a house in 2026, and the whole process of searching properties and getting in touch with agents and stuff like that, it definitely took a lot of me, and that's pretty much where all my energy went into. I knew that I wanted to do a video at the end of everything showing you guys the different properties and telling you guys everything about like viewings and stuff, and I'm probably gonna do that video later down the line when we actually find a property. But as for these vlogs, I just didn't know how to approach the subject, or if I even wanted to approach the subject. All of that to say, it's currently the 12th of January, so we're about 2 weeks into the new year, and I'm only now picking the camera to continue and finish, I guess, this vlog. We're leaving for our anniversary trip to the Lake District at the end of this week, so that's gonna be super exciting. It's definitely gonna be the next vlog, but before we get into that, we definitely need to reset for 2026. I went on Canva and I designed a little vision board for 2026. I also ended up doing a bingo card, so I'm gonna show you those in a minute, but before I do that, I'm low-key starving, and so I think we need to have lunch first. And of course I got leftovers. And just like that, lunch is served. Okay, we're back. Lunch was just what I needed. Here's the vision board and bingo card I've made. I got them printed in quite a few sides because I wasn't sure which one I wanted to go for. And also got these two different frames for IKEA that I think will be perfect. Oh my god, I think it turned out so cute, and it's double-sided as well. I'm honestly so obsessed. I also wanted to show you guys my planners for 2026. Here they are. I'm low-key obsessed with these little ones. I think I'm gonna use this mainly for journaling. I've also added these little section at the back. I had these in a past planner, if you guys remember, the one from Waterdrop. And there's also little secret pockets at the very back. And then as for organization, I had this planner for a while, but I'm rediscovering it this year. So I've got a mini copy of my mood board and bingo card over here. And the good thing about this planner is that it's already divided and the months are blank, so you actually go ahead and fill up the dates and stuff like that, and I think that's so handy. There's also a Q to do section, and then in the very back I also added this notebook. And once again, a little secret compartment. It's getting kind of late. I've got my yoga class shortly, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I could pretend it's later on in the day and I just got back from a yoga class, but sadly it's a few days later yet again. I don't know why, I just don't have it in me to finish this vlog, but don't worry, I am gonna wrap it up tonight. I did receive this massive parcel from Temu that I wanted to open with you guys, and also this card from my parents. My mom told me she sent me a Christmas card and it took all this time to arrive, but it's actually perfect because I was waiting for it to finish my 2025 junk journal, which I think I want to show you guys in my next vlog. Aw, that's cute. As for my Temu parcel, I literally ordered so many things. Most of them are for my trip to the Lake District. I don't think I've ever had that happen. I literally have a parcel within a parcel. I think these ones are the brakes for my bike. I mean, pretty standard, nothing to declare. It's pretty packed in here. Let me take everything out and then we'll do a speed haul. I mean, you can barely see them, but I did get some ties. These are kind of thick and they're meant to be kind of like transparent, I guess, but I have to try these on. I don't know about them. And also got the same ones in these nudie type of color. I then got these 2 pair of socks. I love them to do yoga with. They have the little like grippy thing at the bottom. These bow hair tie. This massive pack of clear hair tie. I then also got this cute little strap. I'm gonna use one for my camera and the other one for my phone. 2 different pack of stickers. These next 2 are very random and I kind of got compelled to buy them. The first one is these leather repair. And then the second one is a color restoration pen in the shade gold. I then got this cute pink fabric cutter. This other kitchen gadget that comes with a bunch of different attachments. And lastly, I got this band for my Apple Watch. I'm actually quite curious to see how it looks like, so let me put it on. No, I don't think this is gonna stay. So here you have it. This is the first vlog of 2026 and I do have a feeling it's a little bit chaotic, so I do apologize for that, but I truly cannot wait to share with you guys a bit more of a life update, I guess. So definitely stay tuned. I really hope you guys had the best start of 2026, and with that being said, if you like this video, of course be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you're most excited for this new year, and of course if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Walk away when something told me not to go. I couldn't go any further. I waited for you to come, but you didn't know. You left me standing. I walked away the way I've done before. You know I've always tried to get myself out of